Hey guys, welcome back to Trusted Technology. Today we'll talk about Walmart using fully driverless trucks. Let's head into it. 2 years after partnering with autonomous vehicle startup Gatic AI to get goods delivered using autonomous vehicles, multinational retail giant Walmart said it's beginning to use fully driverless trucks to deliver online grocery orders in Arkansas. Gatic, founded in 2017 by veterans of the autonomous technology industry with established offices in Palo Alto, California and Toronto, Ontario, is on a mission to deliver goods safely and efficiently using autonomous vehicles. According to its website, the company's focus is on short-haul business-to-business logistics for the retail industry. In 2019, after receiving approval from the Arkansas Highway Commissioner's Office to launch a commercial service, the company began shuttling goods for Walmart in Bentonville using 2 self-driving box trucks with a safety operator behind the wheel. In a first for the autonomous vehicle industry, Walmart and Gatic announced Monday that the trucks are now operating without a safety driver. The trucks run a 7.1-mile route between a Walmart fulfillment center and a neighborhood market. However, the company still keeps an employee in the passenger seat of the driverless trucks as a safeguard, and they only operate in fair weather conditions. It took us about 24 months since our commercial launch to get to a point where we could safely take the driver out. Narang, who says his goal is to scale fully driverless operations across his other sites at a faster pace. The time to unmanned will be reducing over time, basically getting to fully driverless operations in new markets, and the new routes will become faster. The technological breakthrough comes 3 years after 2020 Democratic president candidate Andrew Yang warned in his 2018 book, The War on Normal People, that America is careening toward a dystopian future without jobs due to increased automation and technological advances. Yang, who proposed giving every adult citizen $1,000 a month and universal basic income to blunt the blow from automation, noted at the time that more than 4 million jobs had already been destroyed by robots, software, artificial intelligence, and a third of all American workers were at risk of permanent unemployment. And this time the jobs will not come back, he warned. Among the industries he predicted would be hardest hit is trucking. The Government Accountability Office released a report in 2019 outlining how federal agencies were not doing enough to prepare for the eventual automation of the trucking industry, as consulting firm McKinsey & Company estimated that some 50% of all work activities will be automated by 2055 or sooner. And automation is eliminating livelihoods for hundreds of thousands of the most vulnerable Americans in regions across the country. New jobs are less numerous, are most often created in towns located far from these most hard hit, and require far different skills than the one that are being lost. About Gatic. Gatic, the leader in autonomous middle-mile logistics, delivers goods safely and efficiently using its fleet of light and medium-duty trucks. The company focuses on short-haul, B2B logistics for Fortune 500 retailers such as Walmart and Loblaw. Gatic's Class 3-6 autonomous box trucks are commercially deployed in multiple markets including Texas, Arkansas, Louisiana, and Ontario. Gatic has raised a total of $114.5 million and is backed by cost-disruptive technologies, innovation endeavors, Whittington Ventures, and others, and partnered with industry leaders including Ryder, Goodyear, and Isuzu. Founded in 2017 by veterans of the autonomous technology industry, the company has offices in Mountain View and Toronto. Gatic was recognized on the 2021 Forbes AI 50 list and as a World Economic Forum technology pioneer. About Walmart. Walmart Incorporated helps people around the world save money and live better anytime and anywhere, in retail stores, online, and through their mobile devices. Each week, approximately 220 million customers and members visit approximately 10,500 stores and clubs under 48 banners in 24 countries and e-commerce websites. With fiscal year 2021 revenue of $559 billion, Walmart employs 2.2 million associates worldwide. Walmart continues to be a leader in sustainability, corporate philanthropy, and employment opportunity. What do you think about Walmart using fully automated trucks? Let us know in the comment section. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.